MESAC, learning happens fast, and joy comes naturally. Our students are not just gaining skills, they're discovering purpose, building confidence, and finding happiness in every lesson. According to Nnaji Deborah, MESAC is a joy giver. And she's not alone. Every day, more youths walk through our doors with hope, and leave with skills that can shape their future. This is more than a training center, this is a place where lives are being transformed, one skill at a time. MESAC, empowering hands, uplifting hearts.
Hi, my name is Nnaji Deborah, so I'm from Fashion and Designing Department class. This instantly is called Gun, and the Ankara material is called Ankara material, and the measurements used is mine. Before now, I have no knowledge of sewing, but since I came in MESAC, I've grabbed all the that I'm supposed to know. Thank you, MESAC, for this great opportunity to work to us. I really appreciate it. You're really trying.
At MESAC, what you've just seen is more than creativity, it's commitment, growth, and purpose in action. Because MESAC isn't just a name, it's a movement shaping the future, one skill at a time. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, visit www.springwall.org. And for more inspiring content like this, don't forget to subscribe to MESAC TV on YouTube. Hit the notification bell, like, share, and drop a comment. Your support keeps the movement alive. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep moving forward with MESAC.